The Congress party completely silent when it comes to the endorsement that has come in from none other than the Defence Minister of Pakistan. This is what the former Chief Minister of Punjab, Charanjit Singh Channi, had to say, rather completely silent once again when confronted with the question whether at all the Congress party will really come clean on this entire issue.
मिस्टर चन्नी, एक सवाल आपसे है। पाकिस्तान के डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि कांग्रेस का जो मैनिफेस्टो है हम उससे सहमत हैं और एनसी के मैनिफेस्टो जो है हम उससे सहमत हैं। किस तरह से देखते हैं?
भैया गेंदा नहीं, गेंदा मुझे खराब।
सर किस तरह ये चन्नी जी किस तरह से देखते हैं पाकिस्तान के डिफेंस मिनिस्टर?
नहीं भैया नहीं
सर, आपका जो मैनिफेस्टो है वो कह रहे हैं कि हम सेम पेज पे हैं। सर आपको नहीं लगता है कि आपको नहीं लगता है कि ये जो है अवॉइड होना चाहिए था आपकी तरफ? मिस्टर चन्नी
भैया यार ना करो यार, बात कर लेने।
मिस्टर चन्नी जिस तरह से पाकिस्तानी डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने कहा है, किस तरह से?
गेंदा नहीं
अच्छा खड़ो, अच्छा मिस्टर चन्नी किस तरह से आपको नहीं लगता स्टेटमेंट अवॉइड किया?
ना करो ना।
मिस्टर चन्नी, एक सवाल आपसे है। पाकिस्तान के डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि कांग्रेस का जो मैनिफेस्टो है हम उससे सहमत हैं और एनसी के मैनिफेस्टो जो है हम उससे सहमत हैं। किस तरह से देखते हैं?
भैया गेंदा नहीं, गेंदा मुझे खराब।
सर किस तरह ये चन्नी जी किस तरह से देखते हैं पाकिस्तान के डिफेंस मिनिस्टर?
नहीं भैया नहीं।
सर, आपका जो मैनिफेस्टो है वो कह रहे हैं कि हम सेम पेज पे हैं। सर आपको नहीं लगता है कि आपको नहीं लगता है कि ये जो है अवॉइड होना चाहिए था आपकी तरफ? मिस्टर चन्नी
भैया यार ना करो यार, बात कर लेने।
मिस्टर चन्नी जिस तरह से पाकिस्तानी डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने कहा है, किस तरह से?
गेंदा नहीं
अच्छा खड़ो, अच्छा मिस्टर चन्नी किस तरह से आपको नहीं लगता स्टेटमेंट अवॉइड किया?
ना करो ना।
Let me also go across to my colleague Gursimran. Gursimran, in fact, there is no official statement really coming in from the Congress party. In fact, they haven't even distanced themselves from the statement that was made by the Pakistani Defence Minister.
Yes, Shawan, same was the case with Charanjit Singh Channi. He was silent and annoyed. Time and again when we tried to ask him the question, he said that don't do this. But he had no answer to the question that we have asked him, that what is the stand of the Congress party, that when the Pakistani Defence Minister Asif Khwaja has said that they are on the same page with the National Conference and the Congress party on the restoration of Article 370 and 35 Alpha. But the Punjab Chief Minister, who is himself in Jammu and Kashmir, holding the campaign rally for the Congress candidate as well as for the alliance candidates, he has no answer to the question, and we asked him almost for a minute's time. We asked him repeatedly that what is the stand of the Congress party, but he had no answer. He got annoyed us. He said that don't do this repeatedly, and then we were moved away because he went on for a next program. But one thing is very clear, that the Congress party is in no mood to clarify or to distance themselves from what the Pakistani Defence Minister has said, because Congress feels that any statement by them will hurt the sentiments of the alliance, which they do not want to do at this stage. Probably reason being that there are more than 60 seats that are yet to go for polls, Shawan.
Well, thank you very much, Gursimran, for getting us the latest details. Once again, the Congress party completely silent on the endorsement really coming in from Pakistan.